Hi everyone, so I'm back with another share with you. Now I was inspired after seeing video by Gail Agostinelli maybe a week or so ago, I think, and she had made all these ephemera packs and she'd popped them in her Etsy. So she had 9, I've made 1 which I'm going to pop in my coffee shop. So there's lots of little like pieces of ephemera with tags and all sorts of stuff going through it, and this is made from a big envelope, and we also have a journal inside here as well, so it's not just ephemera like a stuffed pouch, it's also got a journal for you to play around with. Right, so I'd made this when I see Gail's just to keep it fresh in my mind, to think, right, I'm going to do something with that, and then I've just gathered bits and bobs and I have made this. Right, so let's go inside all this. Right, so we've got these. I'm going to take everything out. That's the journal. It's a blank journal. Right, so that's the pouch, which is a big envelope. The papers that I used are from ARTYmaze, and it is, what papers were that? The French blue. I just lined that, you can see it's a little bit down there, but I've lined that, stitched all around apart from here. The journal, let me show you the journal. It's just got, I don't know how many pages, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 40 sides. 40 sides. Right, I'll do a proper little flip on that. So it's completely blank. Papers have been coffee dyed, and you can do whatever you like to it. You can add all these pieces to it if you wanted to. Just thinking most things actually do fit in. That doesn't, but everything else does. But all the things that are inside that piece would fit in here. It could be something that you know, like you kind of pop in. Maybe just fits there. So that's the little journal. It measures, what does it measure? 7 by 4 1/4, and what did I say? 40 pages front and back. So that goes in there. This is an envelope pocket, and obviously this is butterfly themed. We've got butterfly tags here. Put a little label on that one. They're from ARTYmaze. This is from Dreams Etc. I've got squared paper on the back of that, and then just normal coffee on there. This is from Dreams Etc. This is from MyPorchPrints. The paper again is ARTYmaze. The butterfly is ARTYmaze, and I've put a little Tim Holtz die book plate thing there. So I will write down on the listing how many pieces of ephemera there is, and I will be including the pouches that it all comes in. So that's that, and then there's this one here. Here we've got some Dreams Can Come True. Just done some not coffee dye, inking up on that. And then we have a tag here. This comes off, it's a belly band, so it's you can do things with that. And let me see if I can get that back in. Always have problems doing these. There we go. So a butterfly, and that was just a little stamped oval that I had in my stash. That was in there, and that's there. And then this is an envelope, and the paper clip is just in there behind. When you open that up, you've just got a little bit of stenciling, a journal card here, and another one of those. It's 2 of them all together. And then here we've got a journal card and another journal card here. And when it's opened, it kind of looks like that. And that could be like with the journal, you could do that. You could kind of paper clip it in that way, so it becomes something like that, or glue it in if you wanted to. Got a little page hugger. Let's put all that back in there. Yeah, these were kind of fun to just sit and do that. There we go. Right, making a right mess with all this. So that's that. And then there's two of these little tags with little dangles on there. They were just little loads of little pieces that I have in a big box. ARTYmaze tag there. That's that. That can be popped in again. That can be popped in as a you can paper clip it in, or you could glue it in on 2 sides or 3 sides like that. Just an idea. Where did that tag go? What have I done with it? There it is. No, did that go in there? Yeah, it did. Did. Had a moment then. And then this one here. You see the little butterflies kind of tucked in behind there. So that is all that you will get, excuse me, in the pouch. There's kind of lots to play around with there, do your own thing with. So if you're interested in that, I will have the link in the description box below to the listing. And yeah, I might make some more of them next week when I get back. So yeah, there we go. Hope you like that.